In primetime news this evening, fraudsters renting bank accounts, how to spot them, the conclusion of our primetime news in focus report, social media scam. DCS says there's no plan to remove correctional officers involved in the recent altercation involving dancehall entertainer Tommy Lee Sparta, and why some Jamaican students in Ukraine are rejecting the government's offer to return home.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports Commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before all that, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, how do you feel about the upcoming visit by Prince William and the Duchess of Cambridge, Kate? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.